Persevering the Flavor of Life by Victoria Bond. It seems as though Zora Neale Hurston was born to write. In a career that ranged from the 1920s to the 1950s, she wrote in many different genres. Her work includes everything from short stories, plays, poetry, and novels to newspaper articles and movie screenplays. In fact, Hurston's huge talent earned her a reputation as one of the great writers of the Harlem Renaissance. Harlem Renaissance is an artistic period from roughly 1918 to 1937 that featured and celebrated Black culture. Her writing focused primarily on the experiences and folklore of Black Americans. She strove to preserve the tales, songs, and sayings of her culture for future generations. Hurston's interest in folklore developed while attending Barnard College and later Columbia University. Her work at these schools focused on anthropology, the study of humans and their cultures. Part of her research included careful documentation of the lives, culture, and folklore of Black Americans. Through this experience, she was inspired to devote her life to researching, celebrating, and preserving Black culture. In the 1930s, Hurston joined a federal program called the Works Progress Administration, also known as WPA. It allowed her to interview Black people throughout her home state of Florida. She recorded songs and collected tales about trickster characters, enchanted musical instruments, and people who could fly. She also organized recording sessions of railroad workers, musicians, and churchgoers. Their stories and songs contain messages about love, work, and everyday life. For Hurston, folklore was important because it reflected the hopes and challenges of Black Americans. It connected Black people to each other and their history. It also provided humorous lessons that were easy to learn from. For example, the lesson of the tall-tale pumpkin is not to let anything get so big that it takes over everything else. Throughout her career, Hurston shed light on the lives of people who were often overlooked because they were poor, Black, or both. She believed that through folklore, ordinary people could be artists. Folklore, said Hurston, is the boiled down juice of human living. Pumpkin. My daddy raised a pumpkin so big we was 6 years building a shed over it. One day I dropped my hammer down in it and went down to look, and I looked for 2 days. Then I went to a man and he asked me what I was doing in there, and I told him, and he said I might as well go back because he had been hunting for a mule and wagon for 4 days in there and hadn't got no trace of 'em yet.